consensus seeking. Consensus is a creative decision-making process in which all people involved make a decision. Because all members agree to the final decision, a consensus is the most powerful of all decision-making processes. Because all participants have a direct vote or a veto power, this is generally a radical democracy. Consensus can work with groups as small as 5 and as large as 300, or even over 500,000 people could be part of this. Within a small group, consensus tend to be simple if all the group participants are kept abreast of what other activities, and other decision factors. Within groups of 300 or more, consensus takes a different shape. For instance, a small group may have a single facilitator. In contrast, the 300 people may have arranged in many groups of 5 using consensus as one spokesman who speaks in the larger group setting. In short, the agreement takes into account all variables of each participant. Everyone gets the opportunity to voice their opinion or block the proposal if he or she feels strongly enough about the decision. Consensus usually takes longer than voting. However, since all party participants and either accept or agree, the chance of buy-in is greater. The decisions will tend to be stronger and last longer. The consensus process can be a powerful tool if used correctly.